So in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to create an IAM user. So first thing you want to do is log into your AWS account using your root credentials, and then type IAM over there, IAM, and you will come across this option IAM. Click on this link. Okay, now on your left hand side you'll see this users right there under access management. Click on the users, and on your right hand side you'll see this option create user. Now as of right now, as you can see, there is no users over here, so I'm going to create one user. Click on create user, enter the username. So type admin. You can use whatever name you feel comfortable. You can type your name, you can type John Doe or Rajiv or Raj or Ash, or whatever you feel comfortable with. Click on this thing. This basically, by checking this box, you're saying that you want provide user access to the AWS management console. So this particular user can actually access AWS management console. That's what is this option. That's why you're checking this option. Now you want to create an IAM user, so check this particular radio button, and check this radio button. This is basically saying that you are entering your custom password, so give him a password. Okay, now if you want, you can check this box and you can see your password. And I do not want this option. Basically this option saying, by checking this particular box, you are saying the user must create a new password when he next signs in. I do not want that. This is the password I want him to have. Alright, next. Now there are permission options. So basically there are three permission options, that you can add the user to a group, or you can add commit permissions, or you can attach policies directly. So add a user to a group basically means that you would have to select a group and give this user the permission which everybody in that group has it. Since I did not create any group, so I would not be using this particular option. Likewise, I would not be using this option. I'll be using attach policies directly. So Amazon does give you some policy templates, so I'll be using making use of those templates. So click on this box, and I'll be using administrator policy. So type admin over here, and that's going to narrow down your search right there. So you have different types of administrator right there. So I want this particular one. So you can actually see what this administrator access is by clicking on this plus button over here, and basically it's telling you that this particular guy can do everything. Star means everything, and he has access to all the resources. That's what star means. Alright, so click on this check box, this particular box, administrator access, and that's the policy that you're giving this user admin. Okay, next. And then it's asking you review and create. So you can review this page, and basically saying username is this, and required password reset no, and so on and so forth. Alright, create users. And now you're gonna see this message, user created successfully. That's what you want to see. Alright, so now this particular user can actually log into his account using this URL. So if you want, you can actually make a bookmark of this URL. You can also see the password if you want to by clicking on the show button, and you can also download all this information on a CSV file on your local desktop by clicking on this download.csv file. So you will also see this link over there. So let's use this link. Copy this link, and let's open up a new tab. Alright, enter. Okay, so this is the number, the account ID, and type your username at IAM user, which is admin. Enter your password. Sign in. And congratulations, you're in. So by looking over here, you can tell that you are logged in as admin, and this is your account ID right there. So now you're logged in as IAM user. Alright, thank you.